The Physics of Christianity, Part 3, quote, "My approach to reality is different," end of quote. He really wrote that. I have it highlighted. Professor Tipler and I agree on something. His approach to reality is different. Quote, "We can also use the physical laws to tell us what the cosmological singularity God is like. The laws of physics tell us that our universe began in an initial singularity, and it will end in a final singularity," end of quote. Yes, no. Current understanding of cosmophysicists is that this universe is open and will expand forever. It'll take many, many, many trillions of years for the matter in this universe to be reabsorbed into the cosmological fields that permeate all of space-time. Could be at least 60 trillion years or more before that happens. No big crunch in the future. Therefore, no third God. Don't believe me? That's what the book says. Quote, "The laws also tell us that ours is but one of an infinite number of universes, all of which begin and end in a singularity. If we look carefully at the collection of all the universes," this collection is called the multiverse, "we see that there is a third singularity at which the multiverse began. But physics shows us that these three apparently distinct singularities are actually one singularity. The three are one," end of quote. 3 and 1 being capitalized. Therefore, we have two gods already showing up, multiverse God and this universe God. And the third one that is scheduled to appear in the far distant future, but only in Frank Tipler's brain, appears never got the invitation to show up. Quote, "There is one religion which claims that God is a Trinity, Christianity. According to Christianity, God consists of three persons: God the Father, the first person; God the Son, the second person; and God the Holy Ghost, the third person. But there are not three gods, only one God," end of quote. There's medication that I believe would help Professor Tipler write sanely. I very much hope that he does not actually believe the crap that he wrote, and that he's just wrote it for selling books to morons. But I kind of fear that he actually believes this crap. When I observed his presentation of the physics of immortality, it was blatantly clear that he actually believed the bizarre and completely false things that he was saying. Do I want to continue reading this book? It's like wasted lifetime. But we shall see.